Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nizzymacllc and I'm back on the track, period. Thanks for dropping by, you guys. I got another banger, y'all. This one, you just throw this bad boy on and go, okay? Like literally, it took me like 10 minutes to put this wig on. So I 100% recommend it off bat. It's cute, it's easy, it's just an everyday wear wig that you can just throw on and go. So yes, this one is thumbs up approved, okay? So if you guys are new here, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Also make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever it is that your girl posts, okay? So let's go ahead and jump into today's wig review, y'all. So today's wig was sent to me by Wig Types. Woo-hoo. Y'all know I love me some Wig Types, okay? If you don't know, they're an online wig supplier, like beauty supply. They have all the wigs, all the colors, and they have same-day shipping, okay? Same-day shipping. So make sure you guys check out the link down in my description box. I'll have everything listed about this unit, as well as the link on where you can purchase, okay? So let's get into it, y'all. This is Outre. This is one of their Sleeklay parts. This is Genevive, and I have her in the color DRCHOCSWI. It says it's 22 inches. Not too sure about that. Off here in the back, it is more like 18, 16 inches. I don't know who is measuring. Oop, we got a little bit of tangles going on. I don't know who is measuring these units, y'all, but this is not no 22 inch. Or they gave me the wrong one, I don't know. It says it has a flat lace finish, lace flatter, lace better. Yeah, it really does. Like, but I will say my only con about this unit is it's a little tight. But tight is not bad, because that means it's either not going anywhere, or it's gonna be so tight it keeps sliding back. But if it's so tight it keeps sliding back, then you get you one of those velvet wig grips or whatever, and boom, like an easy fix. But y'all, this is bomb. Like, I just literally cut the lace and kind of flatten the part just a little bit more. You really don't need to, because it comes flat, but y'all know I am an OCD person. So this comes in a bunch of colors, y'all. They got blondes, black cherry, sun-kissed browns, 613s, orange, ginger copper. Like, this comes in a bunch of colors, you guys, and it looks like a couple of the colors have like ombres or like highlights in the front or whatever. So this is more like a T-part lace, you guys. You can, you know, glue it down and everything like that, but like I said, this was a little bit too tight for me, so I didn't go that route. I just, you know, kept it as a middle part, and it's just looking flawless, y'all. I look like I just came from like a white girl salon. Like this is how the white people are getting their hair like currently, and like it's just giving. It's giving. The curls are all going the same way. There's a tiny bit of shedding on this one, but like not. I just kind of had to kind of pull like some of the hair from the bottom, but I don't really consider that shedding. It just needed to come out, you know. But after that, there was really nothing else wrong with it. There's a little bit of tangling, like just a tiny bit, like y'all seen earlier, but it wasn't. I haven't had one since then, like a little whoop or whatever. This is just a throw on and go. I literally cut the lace and boom. Now I will say you might have to go in and get pluck the part just a little bit, because I did just to get it to look like this. But it is totally up to your preference, up to you how you want to wear it. I did over pluck it just a tiny bit, but it don't look too bad. Look, don't clock me, it don't look too bad. But this one is cute, you guys. It is pretty affordable. It's under $40. So it's given. I'm gonna be keeping this one. Oh yeah, there's a little tangle. It's kind of getting tangled in that nape area, and where my necklace is catching. So there's a few strands that I'm pulling out. Just wanted to show that. But y'all, I love the way this is, to do it like this so that it looks like bedhead. You know what I'm saying? Like, get it like real, you know what I'm saying. But this is given. Let me know what y'all think about this one. If you guys like this one, let me know down in the comments box. Do you have this one? Are you gonna try it? Will you try this color? Let's talk down in the comments box. Let me know how y'all feeling, okay? And as always, thank you so much for watching, you guys. Bye.